Alright guys, I'm here to do another bicep routine. This time it's at the end of your workout on biceps, that finishing killer move, so when you walk out of that gym, your arms are dead. After your workout routine on biceps or arms, triceps, it's good to do a finishing move. Here is one I call 21s. Right? Basically you want to get some dumbbells which are lighter than you usually curl. So at the moment I've got 6s, 6, 8, 10s. If you're a female, 4s, 6, or if you're very strong, same as the men's. And what you do is 21 repetitions. What you do is you start with your arms down by the side in the curl movement, shoulders back, back straight, head up, and you want to bring your arms up to halfway curl. So do that 7 times. 1. Right, after that, 1, you hold it there, and then you do 7 up to the bicep and squeeze when you get to the top. So 1, squeeze. 2. Make sure you don't go all the way down, you go halfway back down. Then, straight away, you go full bicep curls, 7 of them. Remember to squeeze all the way at the top. No jerking, no moving your head, and there you go. 21s, so 7 up to there, straight away, 7 up to there, and back down to the halfway, and then 7 full bicep curls, until you hit 21. I want you to do as many 21 sets as you possibly can do. So if you're lighter, you'll do more. If you put a heavier weight on, you might do 2 or 3, until you cannot physically lift up any more reps, you know. So try this, and trust me, you might have to get somebody to drive you back home, because it's a killer on your arms. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to not miss any of my content, and have a good day.